Welcome to Mind Control Q&A, a series of short videos where I'll answer questions from my subscribers. To get a question answered, simply post your question in the comments section below. You can also submit a question at my site, fredohill.com. Ready? Great. So let's go. Today, we will answer an anonymous question posted inside Derek Rake's Shogun Method members area at shogunmethod.net. The question goes like this. What are the mind games that women play on men? Okay, before I answer this question, let me be clear about something. Mind games are not a woman thing only. In fact, many men play mind games on women. In fact, you can say that Shogun Method is one gigantic mind game, one which has only one purpose, which is to make a woman emotionally addicted to you. And yes, mind games are all about emotional addiction. If a woman plays mind games on you, and she does it well, then you will be emotionally addicted to her. You will be at her mercy because she will control you emotionally. Therefore, it's important for shoguns to know about the mind games that women play on men. With that out of the way, here's a list of 9 mind games that women often play on men. 1. She makes you jump through hoops by asking you to do unnecessary or unimportant things. 2. She pretends to be weak so that you do everything for her, like carrying her bags and fetching her coffee. 3. She plays the victim, acting as if she gets bullied by you. 4. She cries in public and pretends as if she gets bullied by you. 5. She openly flirts with other men in your presence. 6. She dresses revealingly and go date other men, and then making sure that you know about it. 7. She makes intimacy conditional. She punishes you by withholding sex. 8. She praises other guys just to make you feel insecure and inadequate. And 9. She ignores your calls or texts, only to reply much later on purpose to show her power. Yes, this is quite screwed up, I know, but that's the nature of the beast that we need to deal with. Does any of these signs ring a bell? If they do, then your woman is playing you, plain and simple. Fret not, however, the antidote is here. You'll need to get an edge by using mind control on her so that you can make her emotionally addicted to you instead. You know what to do. Learn Shogun Method and fight fire with fire. The mind games that she played on you would look like kids play once you used Shogun Method on her. Believe me, because this is true. What do you think of this answer? Let me know in the comments below, okay? Remember to click like below and subscribe to my channel. For a free masterclass on how to use mind control techniques to gain tremendous power in your relationships, go to fractionationhypnosis.com. You can also click on the description below. Go sign up right now for the masterclass. Trust me, you'll love it. Sign up now.